Nice, yummy. This is Jasmine from the Lazy Woman Diary, where I always question my life choices in the mountains and sometimes in the kitchen. In this episode, I'm going to share everything I ate hiking in and out of Gunung Gerah Bilah Bieh via Dakoh, Musang, Kelantan. So let's get started. I have buah tampoi, a tropical native fruit to Malaysia. Ambil satu lagi. Yes, posing sikit. Okay, nice. Okay. The fruit is sweet like mangosteen. I have the king of fruits. And I can never say no to durian, especially the wild ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Senyum!
Ano darah kemana ini? Ada ngugur dalam. Ya bekoh dah tak pun.
This is nice. Okay. Durian time!
真的漂亮，这个。
左边那个美。Nice。
再來。食咩啊你啊？
好好食啊 ！Durian， wild durian。我喺邊度啊？我喺 GBB 嘅路上食 wild durian。
哎呦！
邊個揾到嘅？邊個揾到嘅榴蓮？邊個？小芬揾到嘅。
邊個陪你一齊食嘅？
大家。
邊個冇食到嘅？
邊個冇食到嘅？邊個開嘅？
阿 Johnny 好似對任何生果都冇興趣咁喎。
Durian again！ 好好食啊！ Bonus, we have Paul. He cooked Japanese chicken curry and rice from scratch. Plus a simple tomato scrambled egg. This is definitely a luxury campsite meal. 来，好吃吗？好吃。耶 ！Lunchtime. Thanks to the chef. Okay. I usually eat quite light during breakfast and lunch, just enough to keep moving on the trail. When I reach the campsite, I fetch myself 5 liters of water for cooking and drinking. So during dinner time is when I cook up a nice warm meal. instant nasi lemak for dinner. Add in a little sambal, ikan bilis and kacang. Oh, ikan bilis and kacang. Chicken floss. Tada! My complete meal. Outside is full of sandfly or agas, mosquitoes, and a lot of other insects. So I decided to enjoy my meal here inside my own little tent. Sedap. Mac and cheese with extra egg inside. Mac and cheese with egg. Need to feed my tummy well since I always question my life choices in the mountains. Ta-da! Ta-da! After this hidden waterfall, we still had 60 kilometers of muddy logging road to go. And halfway through, one of the wheels came off! While waiting for our rescue, here are the rations that everybody has contributed. And this is what happened. At that moment, I started questioning my life choices again. Shufen and Paul trying to look for clean water, waiting for the water to boil. Yo, Shufen, come siêu kìa.
我係冇得食啊，冇得食啊！
阿條獨食啊！阿條獨食啊！ We have Lexter here with the biscuits. Okay, this is our dear Shufen, which is also the organizer, and she's enjoying the buah tampoi. Paul is half naked here. Johnny busy editing his video. Kabil sleeping on the car. The tire has been fixed and we can finally go home now. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the Lazy Woman Diary. And I shall see you in my next adventure then. Bye bye.